Eh?
Mashija embambaira.
Mashinje bambabara.
Mashija.
Mashija bambaya. Mashisha bambaya.
Sweet potato leaves. They can sell it here.
Alright. Wow. I didn't know that these are sweet potatoes. And then this vegetable.
This one is mbonongwe.
Bononge.
Mubonongwe.
Bombongorone.
Huh?
That's what you're saying. Bombgone.
Mubonongwe.
Bongone.
You can show them.
Oh, these are the. I'm not finding the roots. Bongone.
Mubonongwe.
Bongone.
Mubonongwe.
Bombongone.
Mubonongwe.
Bungone.
Come closer. Mubonongwe.
Bungone.
Bo.
Bo.
Nongwe.
Bononge.
Yeah.
Bononge. Okay. Bononge. So you teach me slowly.
Mubonongwe.
Bonongenge.
Mo.
Bonongenge. Bunonge.
Mubonongwe.
Bononge.
Yeah, this one.
All right. Talcott, what do you call this fruit? Manshana?
This fruit we call it madorofio.
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 You guys, do you know the name of this fruit? Just type in comment section. We call it madorofio.
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 Yes, madorofio.
Madorofio.
Yes, so they are selling it here, as you can see.
Oh.
Madorofio.
Okay. Madorofio.
Yes.